Hello everyone, my name is Dixon Olegiza. I am from Kenya. I am a Maasai by tribe. I come from a section called Matapato, a village called Oiti. I want to take this opportunity to greet everyone in the SOPA. I want also to thank the president of the Western Christ Foundation, Sally Fallon, and the board for sending our sister Lisa, our sister Hilda, to come to our village and talk about the importance of Western Christ Foundation and the natural diets. I want to say that we are happy as the community, and the message have been received. We want to thank the foundation for sending her 2 times, last year and also this year. The importance of traditional diets is that it is moving a community from a disaster to a healthy community. So I want to say that we as the Maasai, we are very happy about the traditional diets, and the community is receiving the message, and they are now going back to the traditional diets. So I would like to say that we want more cooperation with the foundation, and everyone will be very happy to see this cooperation going on. So thank you so much. God bless you, and we wish you I wish you a nice time, and we look forward for your cooperation and sending more people to come down here to talk about the natural food. Thank you.